Hi and welcome to TranAm Ltd. My name is Ed Miles and this is our best-selling Falco Ranger boot. This boot is available in 3 colours in 2018, currently available in 2 in this dark brown and this black. We'll have a lovely camel colour coming next year. It's been really popular, so get in store and have a look at that colour or go to the TranAm website to find out more about the colourways. Let's talk you through a few of the features of this boot. Key thing about this boot is 100% waterproof. It's got a German membrane built in, high-tech membrane, so it's really high quality. We're only using the highest quality materials on the Falco range. It's a full leather upper. It's not using microsynths or plastics or loricas. It is a proper, breathable, full leather upper. So you're getting high quality again. If you look down the side of the boot, you've got a D3O badge. So all the armour involved in this boot is D3O, a British company, really, again, high quality. It's a non-Newtonian armour, so when you get an impact on it, it goes hard, but in normal situ, it's soft, so it's really comfortable. Spin the boot round to the back. You've got an extra overlay of leather on the back as well, and a pull-on strap, so it's high quality components, again, nice features. And coming down the side, you see you've got a zip. Now that's there because on the front you've got laces which can be slightly fiddly when you're using them with gloves. So you set your lace position, and then you open your zip to get in and out. You never touch the laces again. Hidden behind those laces you've got a small pocket for any change, keys, anything like that you want to fit in the front of the pocket. It's just a nice little feature they've added. Again, coming back round to the side, but just open up the boot, you'll see another feature of the boot. Inside the storm flap inside there is a CE approval as well. So you're getting a fully CE approved boot with the Falco Ranger. So that's the Falco range. You've got a 1-year warranty, as again, 3 colours coming in 2018. Please go to tranam.co.uk for any more information and also check out our Facebook site, Bikerheadz.